Hey, how you doing guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a look at the Persol 3107 eyeglasses for men. These glasses come from Persol's Typewriter edition. The Typewriter edition is a range of glasses that takes its inspiration from the golden age of writing. These glasses feature full rim oval frames and a metal bridge at the nose that is reminiscent of a typewriter head. They have the trademark Meflecto stems, which will mould themselves to your face, offering you a great fit. The lenses in these frames are very small at just 47mm, but they are also available in a slightly larger 49mm. You can shop these glasses by clicking the link up here, which will take you to the product page. These glasses are available in a wide range of great colours. That's all for this video. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the latest news, trends and product information.